Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited because I found this website called Topbox, and it's a company. It's like Pinch Me and Octoly, an influencer, where they send you products so you can review. And I'm super excited because I'm like, yes, another company. And they sent me a box with 2 amazing products inside. So let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, guys. So we have some IGK products. I'm super excited. It's Gorgeous Curls. Introducing IGK's new curl products to control frizz, hydrate, and provide a flexible hold and definition. Yes, a little bit. These are the 2 products that they sent me. Those are the retail prices for them that I got for free. It is a Good Spin and class of a 93. So the first one we'll do is Good Spin. So sticky right there, like a bunch of stuff on it. So this is the product. So it is a flexible curl defining gel. It's 72-hour frizz control, intense hydration. That is exciting. If you guys want to pause and read that, you can. Does it have like a film coating? It does. I hear that it smells good, so I don't want to. Oh, it does smell really good. What is the scent on here? It kind of smells like rose, and I love rose scented things. This is, it says, has flaxseed and oat milk. Apply to clean, wet hair, scrunching upwards, air dry or diffuse. So that's exciting. I've actually used some of IGK's products before. I used a hair dye, and I used a color cream when I, had my blonde hair. And then I went to that sunset orange, like reddish hair. So that color is really nice, and I probably want to do that color again, like in the spring. And then I'm going to talk about the class of 93. It is a curl perfecting whipped cream. I couldn't say the word, that's so late. It is ultra rich moisture and definition, so that's exciting. I liked whipped things. So the plastic on it, but I hear it smells good too. If you want to pause and read, I'll just go like really slow. Yeah. It is marshmallow extract and Tukuma butter. Of course, these products are Leapy Buddy certified, gluten-free, and vegan. And I'm really excited to try these. So thanks to Topbox for sending me these 2 amazing products. You guys know I only use natural products on my hair and skin and wellness. So definitely check them out, and I'll put a link for Topbox down below. I don't think I get credit or anything, but if you guys want to try and get free products, why not? Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching, and please stay safe out there. Bye now.